Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. It's Bella Presh. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys 2 ways to make very creamy, yummy and delicious zucchini frittata. Zucchinis are not found everywhere in the world. Here's a brief description on what they are. Zucchinis are vegetables very similar in look to cucumbers and by their water component. They are low in calories, giving us about 17 calories per 100 gram. These therefore are a healthier food option when on a healthy meal plan. Also, they are rich in vitamin C, beta carotene and fiber that shield the cells from cell damage that can lead to colon cancer. So next time when you see a zucchini, get a handful and make this recipe. Before we dig into the cooking process, I'll be giving a quick run through of the ingredients. We'll be needing zucchinis, eggs, fresh cheese, grated Parmesan cheese, salt to taste, stock cube, our garlic powder, white pepper, baking powder and flour. We would start off by grating using this side of the grater. You can also switch to this side of the grater, which would give you thinner pieces. Now that I'm done grating the zucchini, I'm going to set this aside. The next thing to do is to break your eggs carefully. Make sure you don't get eggshells into this. Here I am trying to lead by example and my village people are trying to come for me. There is God though. So now I'll be adding in my garlic powder, my white pepper and my salt to taste. I'll be adding in my stock cube, so half will go to the egg and half will go to the grated zucchini. Now I'll add my flour into the egg mix and mix thoroughly. To add in the baking powder and continue mixing thoroughly. Finally, moving on to the very creamy ingredients that make this recipe extremely juicy, creamy and delicious. We'll start by adding our Parmesan cheese, Parmigiano Reggiano, our bowl of grated zucchinis, we'll be adding in our egg mix. If you're wondering why I added the flour and the baking powder, this is because zucchinis tend to release so much moisture due to their 94% water composition. So therefore, the baking powder would act as a raisening agent while the flour would act as a thickener. You can as well squeeze out water from your zucchinis before cooking or dry them on a pan, but this would only be reducing the nutrients. So I want to retain the nutrients. This is why I prefer doing this. I'll be adding my Philadelphia soft fresh cheese. Next up, we'll be preparing our pans for baking. So use whichever kind of grease you want. I'm using the coconut oil. So feel free to use butter, olive oil, canola oil, almond oil, avocado oil, whichever kind of oil of your choice. Any one of it will be okay. Now this is where I show you how to make 2 types of zucchini egg frittata. Keep watching. To this other half of my zucchini egg mix, I'm going to be adding hot dogs. You can add whichever thing you prefer, be it other vegetables. You can as well add chicken, sausages, whichever thing you would like, just as you prefer it. Okay guys, as you can see, I put in my hot dog into the mixed zucchini and eggs, and over here you can see this is just plain without a hot dog. So now I'm going to pop this into a oven already preheated to 190 degrees, but I will be baking this for 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. And guys, just like that, our oven zucchini frittata is ready. If you're on a keto diet or any other diet, I would advise you to give this recipe a try. It's super nutritious and healthy. You would love it, guys. Okay guys, if you enjoyed watching today's recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till next time, bye.